Hey folks, to find your feedback on your Essay 1 draft, you could go to Modules and find the assignment, or you can go to Grades, and you want to scroll all the way down, down, to where you find Essay 1 Assignment, okay? So you can open that up, and right away it will show you your score, and it will show you the points you got on the rubric for each section. So you got points for an introduction, points for your thesis statement and topic sentence, points for your body paragraph, and your concluding paragraph. And then you can come down here and you can see my specific feedback. So each mark on the paper will correspond to some comments on the side. If you can't find it, you can click on the mark and it should pop up. Okay. I wrote a lot of comments. Try not to be overwhelmed. I'm trying to be helpful. All right. And then I also want you to be able to see my video. I made a personal video for every student. So I'm going to go over here and click on the button View Feedback. And then it'll bring up the comments that I put on this side. So here I put, to see my feedback video, copy the link into your browser. So you're going to have to copy this link. I don't know why it doesn't make a link for you, but it doesn't. So you can copy that, open a new window, and paste it into your browser. And then from there, like this is Shui Ting's video, you can click play, and I made a video. It's about 10 to 15 minutes in most cases for each student.